Stop wasting money on AI writing tools. Now, whether it's Jasper, Blaze, Juice, Copy AI, Rytr, etc., etc., etc. There are hundreds of these AI writing tools that exist, and we see tutorials all over YouTube. You search on Google. There's an AI writing tool every day, it seems now. But in this video, I'm going to explain why you should stop wasting your money on AI writing tools and what you should use instead to write high-quality SEO-optimized blog posts. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. I appreciate you being here. My name is Ryan, and my goal is to help you navigate the overwhelming world of artificial intelligence. So if you have any thoughts on this video, be sure to leave me a comment below. But now let's dive back into why you should stop paying for AI writing tools. So first of all, I think it's important for me to clarify that I've been in the SEO space for over 5 years now. I lead the SEO strategy for clients in various industries. This is my biggest client right here. They're an affiliate site in the tech niche. As you see in the last 6 months, almost 4.5 million clicks just from organic search. And so I lead the SEO and content strategy for this site. So the reason I say this is not to brag, but just to prove to you guys that I do know a few things about SEO as I do more videos related to this topic. So in one of my recent videos titled The Hidden Truth Behind 99% of AI Tools, and I would suggest watching this, I'll leave a link to this in the video description below, probably one of my favorite videos I've ever recorded, I talked about how most AI SaaS tools or AI writing tools in this instance are white labeled versions of ChatGPT, Claude, or any other language model where they're pulling the API calls on the back end and then upcharging the user with their fancy website, their marketing gimmicks, all their prompts that they have on these websites, and that is the business model of most of these AI writing tools. Well, now you're probably asking, well, Ryan, what is the solution to this, right? They may have fancy websites. They charge 20 to 50 bucks a month, depending on the tool. But what is the solution if you recommend that we don't use these? And I'm going to show you two solutions in this video. Now, the first thing I'll say is I would strongly recommend investing $20 a month in either ChatGPT Plus or Claude Pro. I have both of these, but that's probably overkill for the average person. So investing $20 a month into the premium versions of one of these tools is what you will need for this tutorial. And honestly, guys, $20 a month in ChatGPT Plus is a lot less than what a lot of these AI writing tools are charging, and they're white labeled versions of ChatGPT anyway. So I would rather go straight to the source. So the first solution to not using AI writing tools is creating a custom GPT inside ChatGPT Plus that can either mimic yourself or your writing style, or it can mimic a specific company's writing style, a brand's writing style. If you click Edit GPT, you can configure it with all of these different knowledge here and instructions. I'm not going to get into the nitty-gritty of custom GPTs or Claude projects. I do have separate tutorials. I'll leave links to all of those in the video description that you guys can easily access. But that is solution one, is to create a custom GPT that mimics yourself or your brand, whoever is writing the content. And then once you have that custom GPT, what you want to do is give it a specific prompt. And so I don't have my prompts pulled up here, so I'm going to do that. And I'll leave this prompt in the video description below as well. And you'll notice right away, this is a very long prompt and it's very detailed. And I've tried and tested a million different SEO blog post prompts, and this one gets me very good outputs. And so I'm going to copy and paste that prompt, come back to ChatGPT, paste it in here, and you'll notice I have a placeholder here. So whatever your niche is, that is what you would insert there. So you are an expert in SEO content writing, and let's do, in this example, let's do AI. When I provide a title and a target keyword, write an SEO optimized blog post based on the title, first create an outline. So I'm going to hit enter. And what this is going to do is it's going to ask me for a title and a primary keyword. And so what I'm going to do for the purposes of this example, let's just do best AI writing tools. That seems fitting. So let's do target keyword, best AI writing tools. And then we'll do title. Let's just do like 5 best AI writing tools in 2024, something simple. Then I'm going to hit enter, and I'm going to skip ahead and wait till this entire output is complete, and then I'm going to come back. All right, so here is the output that I got using my custom GPT, the Ryan Dozer AI agent, to generate an SEO optimized blog post on the best AI writing tools. So First off, the very first thing I did was I told it to make an outline. I always like to use AI to generate content outlines first, just if there's any errors in any sections. Like for example, if it gives me tools that I don't agree with, I can just go back and say, actually replace this tool for that tool. I just like to always look at the outline before it gives me the entire blog post. And then after it gave me the outline, I prompted it with the following. Now browse the internet for the target keyword best AI writing tools and generate a blog post that's better and more valuable than what's currently ranking high. Don't link the sources in your response. I think it did link the sources in the response, or it didn't, but that's not a big deal. You can just remove that. And so here is the SEO optimized blog post right here. So gives me the syntax like I asked for in the very first instructions here. I gave it all these words to avoid that we commonly see in AI tools. I gave it, 1,200 to 15 words, 3 to 5 relevant FAQs, just all of the nitty gritty stuff that goes into generating an SEO optimized blog post that can actually rank for various keywords. And again, here is the final output. And I can leave a link to this output in the description if you guys are curious to take a look. But it gave me Jasper, Writesonic, Rytr, Copy AI, Frase, and it gave me like best for. It even gave me the prices of what they currently are, if they offer free trials or not. So it gave me some good information. How to choose the right AI writing tool. I like that H2 at the end there. And then it gave me FAQs and it gave me a conclusion. Now, if there's something you don't like in here, or if you don't like one of the tools it listed, you can reply and just say, remove that tool, add this one, or add more details about a certain tool. And you can constantly tweak it and go back and forth until you're satisfied with the final output per se. But that right there, that SEO optimized blog post right there that ChatGPT just created using my custom GPT is not only in my voice that I tailored it to in the custom GPT instructions, but I guarantee you the quality of this is similar, if not better, than what you would get with one of these expensive AI writing tools. So that is the first way, or the first solution to not using AI writing tools, is using a custom GPT in ChatGPT Plus to generate SEO optimized blog posts that look like this. Now, if you don't want to use ChatGPT, the second solution is to use Claude Pro. And Claude has what are called projects. You must be on the Pro tier to have access to Claude projects. So if I click projects, here's my Ryan Dozer AI agent, similar to my custom GPT that I just did in the previous example. And on the right here, you'll see all the different knowledge that I've uploaded to this project, essentially to train Claude on what I sound like via podcast transcriptions, video transcriptions I've done, all the different original content that I've written on the internet I've uploaded on here, training my Claude project on how I sound, how I write, just giving me a style to when I ask it certain prompts here. And so if I come back to ChatGPT, I'm going to copy and paste this exact same prompt and then put it in my Claude project. I'm going to hit enter, and then I'm going to skip ahead after this initial output is complete. All right, so here's the output that Claude came up with. Again, Claude cannot browse the internet in real time, which is a huge disadvantage compared to ChatGPT Plus. As if you remember, I told it to browse the internet for the target keyword and outperform the high-ranking articles. Claude unfortunately can't do that right now. I would hope that come in the near future. But anyways, here's the output from Claude, right? Very similar to what we saw with ChatGPT Plus in that custom GPT. Has a why AI writing tools, uses more numbers and bullet points. Funny how it lists ChatGPT at the very beginning. I just find that funny there. Jasper, Copy AI, Writesonic, Rytr, very similar list to what ChatGPT gave us. Key features, pricing, best for, how to choose the right AI writing tool, the future, conclusion, FAQs with answers, yada, yada, yada. Now, is this perfect? No, this is not a silver bullet, and AI should never be thought of as a silver bullet, in my opinion. But instead of paying these high prices for Jasper, Copy AI, Writesonic, and are these tools valuable? Yes, they are valuable, or they wouldn't be making money. But for those who don't understand how AI works and how these business models of AI SaaS tool works, that is the purpose of this video. Just invest $20 a month in Claude Pro, $20 a month in ChatGPT Plus, where you can create a Claude project, giving it certain parameters, giving it all this knowledge. Same with ChatGPT and a custom GPT, right? That is what I would recommend to write the highest quality SEO optimized blog posts available without wasting money on AI writing tools. So guys, let me know your thoughts on this topic in the comments below. Are you paying for AI writing tools, or are you using ChatGPT Plus or Claude Pro like myself when you're generating long form content like SEO optimized blog posts? But regardless, I'm going to stop ranting now. Again, this is Ryan. I hope you found this video valuable. Give me a like if you thought so. Give me a thumbs down if you didn't find this valuable. Subscribe if you haven't already. But most importantly, I hope you all have a great day.